Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mariah. If you're new here, I have been posting daily vlogs ever since I've moved into my new apartment. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I thought I would do a what I eat in a day today. But before we start that, if you haven't checked out my podcast, I actually have a podcast called Mainly Adulting with Mariah MacDonald. There's a new episode all about Easter that came out today, the day I'm filming it. It comes out on Wednesdays. Also follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's. You can also follow me on TikTok at Mariah MacDonald 8. And let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, and I thought that the daily vlogs were getting a little bit repetitive, especially because we are in quarantine and like I do the same thing every day and it's not much because we're in quarantine. But today I thought I would do a what I eat in a day. So it's kind of like a typical day. I did switch it up a little bit at lunch, but for the most part this is what I eat every day. And if you haven't been watching the vlogs, like, you already know what I eat every day, so go check those out for like other things. Honestly, yeah, I eat the same thing every day. So to start out my morning, I don't always have iced coffee first, but like the last few days I've been having coffee first. So I come down and I make an iced coffee, and then I'll sit on the couch and like scroll on my phone for a little bit. And then once I'm done with my coffee, I will make breakfast. So for breakfast, I like 9 times out of 10 always have an English muffin toasted with peanut butter and banana on top. Sometimes I mix it up and I do an egg on an English muffin with like bacon, or just an egg on an English muffin sandwich with like fruit on the side. But like I said, I usually just have an English muffin with banana and peanut butter because that's like my favorite breakfast ever. And I just love it. I know it's not like the most nutritious thing in the world, but I like it and I look forward to it every morning. So the English muffins I get are just the fiber one, original. I do prefer I think it's the whole wheat ones, but they've only had these ones. So I will get these or the whole wheat. And then I just have a banana, and I get the Teddy's All Natural Smooth Peanut Butter. This one, the only ingredients are dry roasted peanuts and salt. So I try to get one that is natural and has as little ingredients as possible. I used to get the sugary peanut butters, but I just switched over to this like probably this time last year, and now I don't even really like the sugary ones. So I just toast the English muffin, put the peanut butter on it, and I cut like smaller slices of banana to put on top, and then just like eat the rest in like bigger chunks. So it looks really weird, but I don't know. I just like eat the rest of the banana and put some of it on top, I guess. So after breakfast, I'll usually go work out and get ready, or like do whatever I need to do for the day. And then around like usually like 11:30, 12, I'm not quite ready for lunch yet, but I'm getting like hungry / I just kind of want to eat. So I'll go to my fridge and I'll like have a few pieces of pineapple, or have a few blackberries, have a few blueberries. I always grab fruit. And then today I did switch it up a little bit for lunch. If you've been watching the daily vlogs, then you know that every day for lunch I have a yogurt with strawberries, blueberries, banana, granola on top. But today we had leftover fajitas from last night, so I decided to have that for lunch today. Typically I will have yogurt with fruit and granola, or I will make an acai bowl with fruit and granola and sometimes some peanut butter. But those are usually my lunches. Or sometimes I'll do like an egg, or I don't know. Lunch is like usually the fruit with yogurt or smoothie bowl, but sometimes I get crazy and mix it up like I did today. And then around like 2:30, 3:30-ish, I get hungry again. So some of the things I've been having during that time is like half an English muffin with an egg on top, or I'll do chips and salsa, or I've been doing like dry Chex cereal in like a bowl. Throughout the day I'll like still pick on like the fruit a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'll have for like a midday or like afternoon snack before dinner. I also sometimes, I'm always drinking water throughout the day, but if I'm not, I'm drinking a seltzer. Right now I have the Ruby Red Grapefruit. I got these a few weeks ago and thought it would be like something fun and different to drink other than water, because like I'm so bored, and sometimes I just want to like drink coffee, or like sometimes just like drink wine because I'm bored. So I got some seltzers to break that up. So I'll usually have this like during my afternoon snack, or I'll have it after dinner, honestly. Like if Dylan's having like a seltzer and I want to like be a part of the cool kid crowd, but I don't want to drink because I try not to drink during the week, I don't have one of these. But they're honestly like really good. I will say they do fill you up, so if you don't like that like carbonation feeling, like don't have one. But sometimes I have these like with my like afternoon snack so that it does fill me up, so that I don't eat until dinner. And so then dinner changes every day. Today we are having fried cauliflower cauliflower fried rice. I just found that recipe on Pinterest and I decided I wanted to try it. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Other things we'll have is tacos or pasta and sauce, or lemon chicken and broccoli. What else do we have? Sometimes we have salads. What else do we eat? Sometimes we'll do homemade pizzas. Sometimes we'll do turkey clubs. So yeah, we mix it up all the time, obviously. Doesn't everyone? So then around like 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8:30 sometimes, I need like that late night, not late night, but I need like that dessert. So typically I'll do like a cut up banana with peanut butter, or I'll do like a tortilla with peanut butter and banana. As you can see, my life revolves around peanut butter and banana. I've gotten somewhat better, but it still does. On occasion I'll do like a piece of toast with jelly or peanut butter. Last night I did a cut up banana with strawberries and blueberries. Sometimes I'll go for the chocolate and just have like Cadbury eggs like we have right now, or if I make banana bread, or sometimes I'll do cookies. But typically it's banana and peanut butter, or banana and something, because I just really like bananas. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a day of me eating. Obviously every day is a little bit different. Since we're inside, it's obviously all cooked at home and all at home. We have done takeout once. Yeah, we did takeout once. So that we'll like do sometimes. And obviously when we're not in quarantine, like we can go out and go places during the week. But this is a typical day at home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Look out for another video tomorrow, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!